Hello, it's Kathy again. So in another video, I showed you how to sublimate on plain basswood. Here's the basswood that I started with. And I just put some polyacrylic on it for a couple seconds while it was under the heat press. And then this is how it came out. Both sides, I redid it from the other video so I could get it dark on both sides. So today I'm going to let you follow my screen. I'm going to design some earrings in laser box, and then I'm going to cut them out on the X Tool D1. And I only have the 5 watt. I probably will upgrade to the 10 watt eventually, but right now I just have the 5 watt, and I'm going to show you how it cuts it out. It will save you time from having to go ahead and paint the wood afterwards. All right, I'm going to get set up and I'll come back. I now have Laser Box Basic open. So I'm just going to go through really quickly and show you how to make some earrings to cut on that basswood that we sublimated. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is insert some ovals. So we just go to oval and we draw our oval. I know I want them about 42 millimeters. So I'm going to do 42 for the width and the height. Now I need to insert another oval, and that's going to be for the middle of my earring. And I'm just going to try it until I get it exactly the way I want. That's a little big, so I'll look over here and I'll do 15 and try that, see if it works. I don't want it to look like a donut, so a little smaller would be okay. So let's just do 13. All right, perfect. I'm going to pull it down just a little bit. All right, now we need one more oval. So I'm going to insert another oval, and I just need a tiny one. And this is where our earring hook will go. So I just need that 2 millimeters. And then I'll just move that over to the top of our earring. And I'll just place it there and see where it's at, and then I can actually use my arrow keys to put it exactly where I want it. Over and a little down. That should be perfect. Okay. So now I'm going to select all by hitting on my MacBook Air Command A. And then I'm going to select Basswood because that's what we're using. And then I want everything pictured to be cut. So they should all turn purple. I really need 100%. I'll do 85. And everything else looks good. I want one pass and the speed of 5 millimeter or 4 millimeter, either one is okay. So now that we have it all selected, I'm going to hit Command C for copy and then Command V for paste. And so it should have made another one. And we're just going to move that over. Actually, I'm going to delete that one. I need to do one more step. I want to put my name on them. So let me go insert text. And then I'm going to type Kathy. I'm going to change the font to Blender Script. Here it is. And so then I'm going to just drag that to the earring. Now it's a little big, so I'm going to bring that down to about 12 on both sides. Okay. Now for my engraving, I want 2 passes because that just makes it look nicer. Otherwise, it just looks like you used a pencil and put your name on there. But I actually want it engraved. I can have it a little bigger, but I'm just showing you how it would be done. Now let's select all by hitting Command A, and then Command C for copy, Command V for paste, and then we should have 2. And the reason why I erased the second one was because I want them to be in the exact same position. All right, now let's hit Command A. We have everything highlighted. Let's just check everything. We have Basswood selected. We have the power at 50%, that's fine. We have the speed. As you notice, this number doubled the width because I added another pair of earrings, but the height stayed the same. And we're good. So now all we would do is hit this blue button and start. We don't have the machine on right now, but that's what you would do. And then you would just frame it, make sure it was within the wood. And of course you would have to have it all highlighted before you did all that. And then you would be ready to cut out your earrings. So I'm going to get everything set up and cut it out, and then I'll come back when it's all done. See you in a few minutes. While that's cutting, I'm going to show you some of the other ones I did. They're in various stages of me finishing them, but these are some ones that I did based on what we're doing today. These are all sublimated. These are my favorite right here. But these are all sublimated, and some of these are too shinier than I want them. So I gotta figure out what finishing spray, or should I do UV resin on top. But anyway, these are some of the ones I did last night. Okay, looks like it's finished. I haven't lifted it up yet. Here we go. Now I stopped taping this down, but because this was bold from the heat press, I had to tape this one down, because someone told me on the video, you don't have to tape it down. But look at that. The circle is a little crooked. Both sides are done. Oops, I'm always dropping stuff. All right, oh, there's my name. I didn't show it on the other one. Maybe you saw it, I didn't. Okay. My name is a little crooked, so I gotta get better at centering stuff, but yeah, that's how you do it. All right, this has been Kathy for Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. And as you see, I still have enough left to do something else on that side. So this is sublimation on wood without any lamination paper or anything. And see how brilliant the colors come out? And you can do this on tile also. I've done it on tile and it works the same as long as you spray it. Now when you spray on tile, you have to let it sit for about, I'd say 5 hours or so. But on wood, if you have it under the heat press, you don't have to let it sit for any amount of time. The heat press will dry it. Now one thing that I might not have said in the other video is don't put copy paper over it because it will stick. So use your Teflon sheets definitely in the heat press with this and you'll be fine. All right, see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.